Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual Audi A4. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Before starting, ensure the parking brake is engaged. With your foot on the clutch and brake, turn the key to start the engine. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth beginning to your manual driving experience. To get moving, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot. Now, shift the gear lever into first gear. Slowly release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a small amount of pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. You'll feel the car start to move. To upshift, repeat the clutch press. Select the next gear and release the clutch smoothly as you accelerate. When you need to stop, press both the clutch and brake pedals at the same time. This prevents the engine from stalling. As you slow down, you can downshift through the gears or simply shift into neutral once you've come to a complete stop. For parking, always engage the parking brake firmly. It's also a good practice to leave the car in first gear or reverse for added security on inclines. Mastering hill starts requires practice. It's all about finding that sweet spot where the clutch engages as you apply throttle. Pay attention to your engine sound and RPMs. They'll tell you the best time to shift for smooth acceleration and better fuel economy. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. With a little patience, you'll be driving your manual Audi A4 like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.